All right, PPHS.
Welcome to Cycle 7, Challenge Within a Challenge, Arduino. We're really excited to get underway.
Yeah. I guess the first thing we'd want to do is take a look at your Arduino kits. There's a lot of fun stuff in there. There's some LEDs and wires and this thing. But the one we want to focus on first, you'll get to explore all that stuff in due time, is this. This is the most important thing in that kit. This is your Arduino. It says Elegoo Uno R3. So it's an Arduino Uno R3 model. There's a lot of things on this board that you'll kind of become aware of over time. The main things are you got your plug in the end. This provides power and connects it to your Chromebook. If you wanted to power it with something else, like a 9-volt battery, you could plug it in there. And then on here, you've also got along both sides, along both sides, these ports where you'll be able to plug wires in. These are called pins. You can put inputs and outputs there. We'll be exploring that later. The main thing we're going to focus on right now is getting you set up and ready to use this.
Yeah, so the way Arduino works is that you use your Chromebook to write a program, and then you send that program to the Arduino to have it do things in real life. So let's get underway with that and have something happen. So in your email, you'll notice that you received an email from Arduino Accounts, and this is having you create an account so that you can write the code to send to the Arduino. So you can accept the invite link in that email and then create a username. Once you are logged into Arduino, you will see the software option and online tools, and that's where you're going to be writing your first code in this Arduino web editor. To start with, so just make sure that you accept the terms and conditions. And this will install the software necessary to allow your Arduino to connect to the Chromebook. So once your plugin is correctly installed, we are on our way to begin coding. And we're going to start with an example. Highly recommend taking the tutorial as well, which will show you where the features are.
So you're going to want to open up some of the example sketches. A sketch is the word they use in Arduino language for your file or your program. So you create a sketch. So you'd click New Sketch to create a sketch, and it would appear over here as a new sketch. So on the left, there's a little tab here called Examples. You can look at some pre-made sketches. You can kind of look through those and try to figure out what they're doing in them. We are going to focus on the basics. Here we are. And we're going to look at a program called Blink. So the first thing about the sketch you'll note is it starts with this \*. This is a way that they kind of you're allowed to write in a program without it actually affecting your program. This is called commenting. So within this comment, you can see what this program is designed to do. It turns on an LED for a second, then it turns off for 1 second repeatedly. So you can scroll down here, and you can see the actual code itself. It's in this sort of colored text. We'll plug in the Arduino here, and the USB to the computer. And what you'll do to upload the program is go up here. There's two buttons here that are kind of useful. The first one is this checkbox. That lets you know that the program's good. It'll kind of go through and make sure you don't have any big glitches or bugs in your program. And you can click it for verify. It says, hey, success, this is good. Hopefully it is, it's a sample program. But then I would upload it with this little upload arrow. And I click that, and it says busy. Uploading Blink, and it's done. And now, actually, if I look here, here's my Arduino. There's a little light on it. It's blinking. There we go.
All right, so your challenge, the beautiful thing about this code is that you can make modifications to it and then see the changes that are happening in reality. So we're going to close out with this challenge. Right now, the Arduino is blinking on for 1 second and off for 1 second. On. Can you make it blink on and off for half a second? Tweak the code, upload it to your Arduino, and see if you were successful. Thanks for watching.